FB60. Go to the transaction code FB60 and raise one invoice based on the taxes accounts and all. Try to take out the calculate taxes for the particular raw material account. Okay, which is very, very important, all of you. And go to the simulate option and give the amount. Go up, give the amount. Posting is possible only with why it is taking 2500. Go to that document, ma'am. I mean, have you taken the correct company code? Posting is only possible with okay. And what we need to do is no. Give me 1 second. In the amount, you can just take out the 47,500, ma'am. Click on the enter. No. Can you come down, ma'am? There will be a tax amount in the header item. Or else go up. Go to this tax. Go to that tax tab. Go to the tax tab, ma'am. So 2,375 is the amount. Okay. Give me 1 second, ma'am. 2,375. Take out the calculator. 47,500 rupees. 2,375. 49,875 rupees, ma'am. Go to this 49,875 rupees. Continue. Okay. No. That amount is 47,500 rupees. But this, with the help of this calculation, it will be 49,875 rupees. See, in SAP S/4HANA, it will going to take like this. Okay, go to the simulate option. Double click on this CGST and SGSTs. Okay, go to the submit and submit. Okay, this is the way you can able to see exact things in SAPS for Hana vendor. Okay, so I mean the interface will be different all of you. Okay, it is asking for the zero balance accounts, but in SAP ECC it cannot. Go to the transaction code F-53 and sorry, go to the transaction code FBL1N. Go to the transaction code FBL1N. Try to see the reports. Give /n and go to the transaction code FBL1N. So 49,875 rupees is the main important thing, and just try to clear it. But in ECC that is different, all of you. Those will be generated based on the new GL. So this will be generated based on the financial universal journal. So that is the main difference. And go to the transaction code F-53. 49,875 is the main difference. Okay, go to the save button and save it. And you can now try to check with this thing. Okay, go to the transaction code FBL1N. Go to the transaction code FBL1N, and you can able to see the details also. Go to the continue option. There are no open items, right?